Hi everyone, my name's Chelsea and today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute, super easy textured rolling pins. Perfect for playdates. All you'll need is a small dish or bowl of some self-adhesive puffy stickers, a rolling pin, and if you don't have one, you can use a paper towel roll, a toilet paper roll, even a jar. Anything like cylinder shaped will work. And of course, some dough. I would set it up exactly like this on a small tray with everything you need right here. Obviously, if you have more than one child participating, you'll want more than one rolling pin, one for each kid so they can make their own. Again, these are super easy and your kids can probably do them themselves. The only tricky part, depending on their fine motor strength, would be peeling off these little adhesives, and you can even get them started for them by peeling back one little corner, just like that. You'll peel them off. They can stick them anywhere they'd like on the rolling pins and fill them up so they have these designs. To play, you'll make your dough nice and flat on a tray. I'll show you like this. Push the rolling pin into the design, and just like that, you have your textured designs in your dough. Super fun, super easy, and these peel off very easily when they're done without even leaving any sticky residue. So they're reusable. Have fun.